I never believed in haunted objects until the typewriter arrived. It was a gift from my late grandmother, a relic from her youth, clattering away on its own in the dead of night. At first, I thought it was a mechanical glitch, but the words it typed were eerily personal. The sentences told a story of my life, with details no one could know, the scar on my knee from childhood, the secret dreams I whispered only to the stars. As the nights passed, the narrative grew darker, foretelling a tragedy I felt powerless to prevent. It spoke of a shadowy figure watching from the periphery of my life, each keystroke dripping with malice. I tried locking it away, disconnecting the keys, but still, it typed. Now, the final pages predict a fatal encounter, somewhere deep in the woods behind my house. As I read the last line, a cold wind sweeps through the room, and I realize the typewriter isn't just writing.